Elaine is with us in Louisiana. Hi, Elaine. Welcome to the Dave Ramsey Show.
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
Sure.
I need your help in what I need to do. I'm going through a divorce, and my husband has filed Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And I'm in the home. I have some equity in the home, but not nearly enough to pay the bankruptcy. And I don't know what to do in a community property state. I believe his creditors will eventually come after me, and I can't afford it.
Mm-hmm. If he completes the Chapter 13, they will not come after you. The Chapter 13 is a payment plan that lasts 5 years, and at the end of the payment plan, the bankruptcy is concluded, and they have received all that they're going to receive. If he fails and does not complete the 13, which happens, sadly, a large percentage of the time, then you could be left holding the bag because he would convert to a Chapter 7, wiping out all of his obligation, leaving you on the hook for all of it. Are you signed up with a bunch of these creditors?
No, none of them.
Okay. And when will the divorce be final?
In a few months.
Why so long?
Just a minor child, and you have to wait a year.
Oh, okay. All right. And when will he file? Has he already filed?
He already did. He's already filed, and he has a enormous note that he pays every month.
Right.
That I don't.
If he can keep making that note until the divorce is final, you're no longer on the hook.
What do you mean?
Well, when you're not married to him, community property does not apply. You're not on the hook for his debts anymore. Now, any debts that have your name on them, that you put your name on, you're on the hook for those.
Right.
Have you got your name on all this debt that he's got?
No, I do not.
How much debt has your name on it?
None of it.
You don't have any debt in your name anywhere?
Only the home.
Okay.
But his attorney told him that because he had a business and my name was on that business.
It's not anymore, though, because you're divorced.
We'll be divorced, yes.
Yeah.
But they're saying that because of what happened in the past, during the time the debt was made, we were a community.
I don't think that's right. I'm not an attorney. You need to talk to your attorney to be sure, because Louisiana does have some unusual laws in this regard. But
I did talk to my attorney, and she just said that they could possibly come after me.
I don't think they can. I don't think they will. I disagree. I think your divorce attorney's acting like a bankruptcy attorney here. Again, it doesn't have your name on it, and you're not married to the guy. And right now it's in bankruptcy. As long as he's in Chapter 13, you're completely protected. You don't have to worry about it. It's the only time we worry about this is if the Chapter 13 fails.
Right, which I don't see it.
You don't think he's going to make it because his note's too high in the 13?
Way, way, way too high.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, I want him to hang on to the divorce is final, and then you've got real grounds to say, I'm not paying anything that's his. I mean, you're no more liable for his debts than you would be mine at that point.
Right.
And I think it's a real stretch to say your name was on the business. He ran up all the debt, and he went into a Chapter 13, and after a divorce, that they're going to come back based on the fact that you had your name on a few of the documents at the business. You don't have your name on anything at the business now, right?
No, well, the bank account was the only thing my name was on.
Yeah, I don't think there's a chance they can get you on this. Again, I'm practicing law here, which is dangerous, okay? I'm not a lawyer, but I really, if I were in your shoes, I would hire an attorney that had big, long fangs and would scratch somebody's eyes out if they came after you. I just don't think it's going to happen. I really, it's not logical. It doesn't flow with standard legal practice. And plus, you don't have anything. It's not like you're sitting there on $1 million, so it's not like you got a target. So if you're a big target, I guess we'd worry about it even more. So let's make sure Bubba stays alive until the divorce is final. That's a big thing. That bankruptcy stays upright until then. That's a big deal right there. Make sure your name's not currently on anything having to do with that business, so that it's all finalized at the divorce. And then you worry about the house and you worry about your bills, and let's get you moving on all of that.